Two powerhouse AI writers face off in 2025 with one big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Claude, conversational and creative, built for depth by Anthropic. And on the right, Anyword, performance-driven and precise, engineered for marketers. Let's skip the buzzwords and get right into the real-world results. Each category gets its score, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result just might surprise you. Okay, let's lay it out. Here's the mind map of what we're going to cover. Writing quality and flexibility, data and performance optimization, use case and brand control, creativity and innovation, pricing, and finally, interface and workflow. This way, you'll get a crystal clear picture of where each tool crushes it or, kind of stumbles. First up, let's talk writing quality and flexibility. So with Claude, honestly, you get these super structured, nuanced outputs. You can throw in entire chapters, technical docs, whatever, and it'll still keep everything logical and easy to read. And here's something wild. The context window is massive, like 100K tokens. That's basically enough space for a novelist to paste their entire book. The style? Smooth and conversational. Perfect for creative stuff and even technical documents. Customizing the tone? Easy. The downside, though, sometimes this thing gets a bit over-formal, honestly. So, for punchy social posts or quick ad copy, you may need to trim back the words a little yourself. And heads up, Claude is text only, no images. Now, Anyword comes in swinging with a totally different vibe. It's literally built for marketers. You get data-backed copy that's scored to tell you if it'll perform. Headlines, ad copy, social posts, blogs. It adapts for any audience you throw at it. Plus, you just feed it a few bullet points and boom, out pops SEO-ready content. What's not so epic? Those fuller blog posts can feel a bit cookie-cutter sometimes, like they've been run through a template. And unless you pay more, the tone options feel pretty locked down. Winner here? Claude takes the writing flexibility crown. Now, let's jump over to data and performance optimization. So, with Claude, yeah, it can summarize, analyze, and pull structure out of huge docs. But here's the thing. There's no built-in way to score how well your copy will actually perform. It'll make you sound great, but you're flying blind on whether it'll convert. Flip to Anyword, and now you're playing with the big leagues. Every variant is scored before it even launches. You get analytics, A/B testing for your website and ads, and even tracking content performance over time. It's almost like having a marketer glued to your shoulder, whispering conversion rates. Sometimes, though, it gets a little too algorithmic, like everything starts sounding generic after a while. But hey, still, Anyword absolutely owns this category. Moving on. Use case and brand control. Claude's dashboard is friendly for enterprise, and if you want the AI to nail your brand's tone, it really listens to your instructions. But, and it's a big but, no automatic brand rules, no team features. It's kind of solo agent mode. Now, Anyword actually gives you this one-stop shop dashboard for all your brand stuff. Rules, audiences, messaging. The custom scoring AI, that's next level. It learns your brand voice and what's performed well for you in the past. And for bigger teams, there's seat management, SSO, APIs, everything a business could want. The catch is, the coolest brand control features are only on the higher plans. So not for everyone, but yeah, Anyword's the clear winner here. Oh, and let me just pause for a quick fun fact. Did you know Claude's 100K token context can actually process more text in a single chat than most best-selling novels contain? So if you're wrestling with giant docs or tons of notes, you're pretty much set. That's insane, right? Let's get creative. Literally. Claude is so clever when it comes to brainstorming, storytelling, or just throwing out metaphors and analogies. If you want to jazz up your presentations or need a spark for your next big narrative, Claude is fantastic. Honestly, sometimes it's almost too imaginative. You'll need to dial it back for boardroom stuff, but the fun is real. And then there's Anyword. This one's all about hitting optimized headlines and CTAs that drive engagement, sure. But if you need that human touch or quirky originality, you're probably going to be disappointed, because Anyword's more about frameworks than wild creativity. Winner for creativity, Claude. No contest. Okay, time to talk money. Claude actually has a pretty awesome free tier, worth trying, no strings. And if you want more, Claude Pro costs around $20 a month, which gives you higher limits and that mind-blowing massive context window. The fine print. If you're running heavy business workloads on its API, costs can add up, so be careful there. Now, Anyword starts at $49 a month for the starter plan, and you'll need to climb higher for more features. Data-driven is $99 a month, business is $4.99 a month plus, and if you want enterprise, custom pricing time. The good part? Anyword gives you unlimited copy generation, but that minimum monthly hits harder than most competitors. So, for pricing overall, Claude gets the gold thanks to flexibility and a way lower entry point. Last category, interface and workflow. So Claude has something called artifacts. It's this cool split screen where you can see code and content as you work live. That's honestly unique. The chat interface just feels super straightforward, very collaborative. But heads up, no official app for mobile or desktop yet. Anyword, meanwhile, gives you that classic dashboard a lot of marketers love, plus a Chrome extension and good team controls. But, gotta mention, some users say it loves to log you out randomly, which is super annoying if you're hustling on a deadline. So, while Anyword is pretty comfy to use, Claude kinda edges ahead thanks to a smoother workflow and that artifacts feature. If we stack it all up with a radar chart, you're going to see Claude pulling way ahead in creativity, pricing, and long-form writing, while Anyword spikes in data analytics and brand control. Pretty clear strengths, depending on what you actually need. So, what's the real verdict? If you're all about creative, deep dive writing, or need well-structured research and logic, Claude is just so good. But if you're in the marketing trenches, chasing performance and conversions, Anyword is practically built for you. With all that predictive scoring and team features dialed in. You want thoughtful dialogue drafts or technical guides? Go Claude. Multi-channel marketing and hard data? That's Anyword, hands down. Okay, last question. Which AI writer actually fits your vibe, workflow, or creative goals? Honestly, I say try both. Pick the one that supercharges your content game this year. You'll know when you found your match.